of June 2026. In grateful recognition of 25 years of faithful service to God, the Church, South Basic Ecclesiastical Community, and the people of God, through the exercise of His priestly ministry, we join in thanksgiving for the many blessings bestowed upon Him and invoke upon Him the continued guidance and grace of our Lord Jesus Christ. Given this 8th of June in the Lord of 2026 at St. Anthony of Padua Parish, Mayorga, Leyte. Congratulations, Father.
Parish PEC President, Mrs. Leia Pramora Kaliloy,